Right, another day, another project, another video. This belongs to a friend of mine. Well, it used to belong to me. I sold it. I managed to burn it in 1 or 2 days of use. I do presume he used a lot of power because, as you can see, there's capacitors different color. The problems on this one has been fully disassembled, all components checked, and this capacitor was burnt. This one, it was presumed to be 180 pfs. It was only measuring 20 or 30 pfs, so I've replaced it. They're both original. It was 500 volts. They've been replaced by a kilovolt tolerance or a limit, so very strong ones. The finals, they've already been replaced. The linear came shorted. As soon as you plug it to a power supply, you would shorten the power supply. There was 3 out of the four finals, they were inch short, so I've replaced all the four finals because the other one might go if he was affected. So 4 new finals, 2 capacitors, and that was it. It was an easy repair. Took me a bit of time to remove the finals because it's double-sided board and it's been previously soldered, so no. It's the burnt flux. It's a bit brownish, but I wouldn't bother to clean it. There's continuity, that's what matters. It's working on the multimeter. I'm not gonna say names. This belongs to a friend of mine. I don't know how you burn stuff, but anyway, let's put it on the bench and test it. I'm not gonna use an expensive radio. I'm gonna use a cheap radio because the linear was short, and I don't know if the repair is proper, so I'll use cheap material. The fuse is only 5 amps for safety. So car fuse, mini car fuse, 5 amps. I'm only going to drive it on 5 watts, so it should be enough not to blow the fuse, but it's only to try. Hold on a second, I'll plug it to the power supply and a watt meter with a dummy load, and let's check it out if it works or not. Give me 1 sec. Right. It's mounted here, very provisional. Since it was a problematic one, I didn't want it to connect to an expensive radio, so I'm using this one. I'm repairing this one. Somebody connected reverse polarity. It ended up burning the linear, the audio amplifier and so on. So as you can see, they're both connected to my power supply, and linear off, linear on is not in short. We're gonna drive it with this throttle. I do believe it's 5 watts. Let me have a look on the power output. So it's on 20 watt scale. So 4 watts, proper CB. We're gonna change for 200 scale. Gonna see what it does on a 4 watt drive on a dummy load. We're gonna put the linear on. So 50 watts, bit more. Yeah, 50 watts on a 4 watt drive. Not bad. Linear is working. Thank you for watching the video, and You again, don't ban it again, yeah?